Yule ni malaika kabisa. Wow. No wonder Nyasinski alimba niko sawa na wacha nimwende. Mani samana. Mani samana hata kama ana pesa. Mani samana lakini kuna design nyingine. Huyu lazima nimpate na pamoja kabisa. Okay. Hello. Nilikwambiaje Mr. Pro? I told you to import my V8 from Japan to Kenya. What is? And what about the estate? The money accumulated, the 5 million. I need them in my account. Stop joking with me. I don't want jokes. You know, being a millionaire is so stressful, Kabita. Being a millionaire is so stressful. Treat me in peace as millionaire as I am. Mrembo, those are my personal issues, personal business proposals that I was calling. Yeah, I am called the chief of pilot. What? Thank you for meeting.